Subscribe. Hey BKs.
Welcome to BK
Toy chest.
Yay! Let's open the surprise toy chest. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Ready. Get set.
Go.
Go. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, an airplane.
Wow! What is that? It's like a cool toy. It's a torpedo boat RC. It's a remote control RC.
Looks like the black one.
Yeah, we got a white RC. It has this propeller on the back. And we're gonna try it out, okay?
Huh?
Are you ready to try it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it!
Okay. Hi guys, we're gonna try this out.
Yeah, we're gonna try those out! What's that?
It's a motor boat with red seats and all the colors.
Okay, the speedboat.
Uh-huh.
We got the speedboat, white speedboat, and your RC remote control right there. Alright, are you ready for it?
Huh?
Okay, I hope we don't lose that. We're gonna put this boat inside the pond. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
There we go. Ah! Not going back. Forward. Whoa! That is so fun. Not too far. Going back. I think it's trying to eat it. Hurry up! It's trying to eat it.
Papa did it! What's fun?
That was really fun, isn't it?
Yeah!
Say goodbye!
Bye!
See you next time! Bye! It was awesome playing with you! Don't forget to hit subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. See you later, alligators! Only here on Babies and Kids Toy Chest! Bye!
Hey! Oh! Yeah! Fishes, don't eat this.
Exactly. Please do not eat our speedboat, okay?
Don't do that, fish! Go away and go over here and eat a lot of people and kids.
Don't say that!
No one say. I'm so happy to try this thing.